creak and the tombstones squeak. Spooks arrive for a swinging wake. Happy haunts materialize and begin to vocalize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. We've got a haunted mansion mystery pin set to go through, so let's get cracking! Hello all my explorers, and welcome back to Loren's Adventures Out There. And if you are new, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it. My name is Loren, and I'm with Castles, Capes, and Clones, where we discuss everything in the Disney universe. We do unboxings and hauls, pins, box swaps, Disney news, Disney reviews, and more. So if that sounds fun to you, we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for notifications, and do like this post, as it really does help us out. Okay, so I ordered these Haunted Mansion puzzle mystery sets from Hot Topic, and of course it's a 6-piece puzzle, and they only let you order 5 at a time. But this is what it looks like. It's like as if you were going through, sorry, my hands are shaking, the Haunted Mansion. And let's just not waste any time and let's get into it. Okay, so the first box, okay, these are super glued on. Let me just see. The easiest way to do this. Through the top? Yes. Through the top. Okay, not the bottom, which I usually do. Okay. So the first pin is not wanting to go down. Okay. So this first pin is of it's the is that the Hitchhiking Ghost? Yeah, the Hitchhiking Ghost. Yay! Okay. Alright, next. We have who do we have? Who is your favorite ghost in the Haunted Mansion? Let me know in the comments below. Like, do you have a favorite ghost? Do they have a name? Do they have a whatever? Mine is Sally Slater, who is also known as the Tightrope Walker. First of all, I love that painting by Mark Davis, or at least inspired by Mark Davis. It's beautiful. But there's just something mysterious about that whole thing. Why does she have a parasol? Why is she tightrope walking? And why over an alligator? Alright, so this one is of the is this the graveyard? This is the graveyard. And yeah, you got like different ghosts going on there. That's cool. Okay. Next one we've got okay. Check this out. All the pins are like up near the tear tab, and they're not moving down. Okay, this one did. Alright. This one is, I think this is another new pin. Ooh, Constance the Bride. Nice. Okay. Alright. We're doing well. Okay, so who do we have in this one? Come on out. Oh my god, I've almost ripped half of the box. Look at this. And it's still not coming out. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. This way so I don't see it first. We both see it together. Okay. Come on. I might have this pin, I think. Yep, another, it's another, cemetery. Okay. And we have all right. Here we go. Come on. I think I have this one as well, but let's see. Oh no, I don't. This is the ballroom. Okay, that's the ballroom. So, and is that Leota in the bottom? Yeah, and Leota's in the bottom there, so that's cool. Okay, so I got 4 out of 5 pins. I'm missing... Oh god, I can't see this. Let me put this puzzle together, and then we'll try to figure it out. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and this is what it looks like. Whoops, wrong way. This is, I have the whole right side of the puzzle. So I need the left 2. And that, actually, I'm glad that all mine kind of connect like that. So that's going to look nice on the board right now. I honestly, they make these so small, but I can't tell. Maybe you can tell. I need this side up, not that side, this side of the puzzle. So anything, either of those two, if you have either of those 2 puzzle pieces and need this one over here within the cemetery, this one right here, let me know and let's do a trade. Okay, that is it. Thank you for joining me. If you had a good time, we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel. If you aren't already, hit the bell for notifications and do like this post, as it really does help us out. Visit us on all of our socials down below. Visit our website at www.castlescapesandclones.com. And with that, we will see you later. Bye!